Hi my dear students, welcome back to a new session. In the last class we already learned regarding cancer, how the normal cells are transformed into the cancerogenous cells, and cancer types, diagnosis, treatment you had learned in the last class. The today class is regarding drugs, alcohol abuse. Drugs, alcohol abuse. Very easy topic. Here in the inside they are given. Here you can say the survey and the statistical number is telling that so mainly youth are going to abuse by these drugs as well as alcohols. So before the having of drugs, the youth have to know the side effects of these drugs. So these drugs mainly they are going to affect on physical, behavior and mental and lifestyle is going to change due to the having of these drugs and alkaloids, right? Here the survey and statistical number, the statistical number is telling that mainly youth are abused by drugs as well as alkaloids. So these drugs actually the mainly affecting on physiological functions as well as mental health as well as behavior also be going to change, right? And here the mainly the drugs is mainly three types of drugs are abused. So the first one is opioids, second cannabinoids, and third one is coca alkaloids. The abused drugs are mainly three types of drugs. These are first one is opioids, second one is cannabinoids. These are the two drugs. Last one is coca. Coca is alkaloids. Very most dangerous drugs. The first one is regarding opioids. Here, so these drugs actually the chemical structure it is complementary to the receptors which are present on central nervous system as well as gastrointestine. When we having of these drugs, they directly interacted with the receptors of central nervous system as well as gastrointestine, and some drugs are going to interact with the brain also, and later it going to interruption of metabolic reactions, right? So these drugs are opioids which are bind with the receptors of central nervous system cells as well as gastrointestine cells. So this gastrointestine cells as well as central nervous system which are containing glycoproteins where they are presented on cell surface, right? So these glycoproteins is nothing but act as what? These are receptors. These are what? Receptors. Now the chemical structure of these drugs are resemble to the receptors, right? So that's why these drugs are going to directly bind with the gastrointestinal cells as well as central nervous system and sometime brain also, right? Here due to that what happened, metabolic reactions are not going to perform well. This is one. And next one is here these drugs are mainly obtained from angiosperms, especially flowering plants, right? And some of the drugs also be obtained from yeast, it means fungi also. Some drugs obtained from fungi, obtained from fungi. Okay, so here the first we are going to discuss regarding heroin drug. First one is what? Heroin drug, right? So this actually it is also called as smack. It is also called smack, S-M-A-C-K, smack, right? Actually it is chemically diacetyl. It is chemically diacetyl morphine. The heroin drug, it is chemically what? Diacetyl morphine. So this actually the compound is white color, odorless, bitter in taste, crystallized compound. So this is what? It is white in color, crystal in form, odorless and bitter in taste. So this is actually chemical compound, right? So this chemical is what? Diacetyl morphine, which is obtained from acetylation of the morphine. Morphine is obtained from where? Morphine is obtained from one dicot plant, that is poppy plant, Papaver somnifera plant. It is belong to Papaveraceae family. Okay, which is obtained from acetylation of morphine. So this morphine is obtained from poppy plant. The scientific name of poppy plant also called opium plant. It is also called as what? Opium. Poppy plant, opium plant, right? And it is the scientific name of poppy plant is Papaver somnifera. It is a dicot plant. It is belong to Papaveraceae family, right? Here the drug is mainly obtained from capsule. Capsule is nothing but fruit. The fruit is containing latex, right? From fruit, nothing but from capsule, the drug is obtained, right? And next one here, these drugs are, what is the main effect of drug? The effect of drug is slow down the reaction, slow down the metabolism. It means the body is going to get relaxed by having of this drug, right? So this is regarding what? Heroin drug, right? And next drug is cannabinoids. So cannabinoids actually it is a combination or it is a group of chemical. It is what? It is a group of chemicals. And these cannabinoids are naturally obtained from inflorescence of Cannabinus sativa plant, which is naturally obtained from inflorescence of Cannabinus sativa plant. cannabinous sativa plant. And here cannabinous, beside the inflorescence, especially young leaves, young flowers, as well as apical meristems, which are used for preparation of cannabinoids, right? Beside that, young parts of plant body, like a apical meristem, young leaves and some flowers also be used for preparation of cannabinoids. And here these cannabinoids, the plant is containing resins, resin drugs are there, which are the various combinations of the resin drugs is useful to preparation of different types of drugs. Here this is containing a resin. Resins are used for preparation of various drugs. The drugs are mainly 4 types of drugs are prepared. So like these drugs are, one is like a marijuana drug, second one is hashish drug, and third one is charas, and fourth one is ganja. Fourth one is what? Ganja. So these, which are resin compounds, are used to preparation of various combinations are used for preparation of these different drugs. One is marijuana, second one is hashish, third one is charas, and fourth one is ganja. Here these drugs are taken through inhalation as well as oral also, right? And these drugs receptors are present. So these drug receptors are present in brain. So they are going to interact with the brain cells, right? What is the main effect? The main effect of this drug is, its effect on cardiovascular system. Nothing but it effect on heart. Mainly it effect on heart, right? And next, in case of heroin, the heroin drug is obtained or it is taken. Heroin drug, it is taken through snooting as well as injections, right? So this is actually information regarding heroin as well as cannabinoids. Next, coca or cocaine alkaloid. Coca or cocaine alkaloid, right? So this coca or cocaine alkaloid, which is obtained from Erythroxylum plant, Erythroxylum coca plant. Actually the plant is a native of South America. And here the plant, mainly this coca, the chemical combinations are which are going to interfere in a neurotransmitter, right? The first point is the coca or cocaine, which is obtained from Erythroxylum plant, Erythroxylum coca plant, and which is a native of South America, right? And this coca chemical, it is interfere in neurotransmission of dopamine, neurotransmission of dopamine synthesis or dopamine transfer, right? Okay, so do you already have knowledge regarding dopamine? I hope. Dopamine is what? Dopamine, it is a neurotransmitter. It is a neurotransmitter. It is nothing but one hormone. What is the main function of dopamine? Which is going to transfer the message between one neuron to another neuron. When the dopamine when the dopamine synthesis is increased in the human, when the person is feeling happy, or you can say like well sleeping while listening of the music, when he is calm and cool, in that time the dopamine concentration is highly released. So that's why it is also called as feel good hormone. It is also called as what? Feel good hormone. Then and it is also play a great role in brain functions as well as body functions. If dopamine level is decreased or sufficient amount of dopamine is not released in body, it going to lead some diseases, like the person is going to depressions, mainly Parkinson disease, which is due to the lacking of dopamine, right? Let's write the points. Dopamine, it is a neurotransmitter. It is a neurotransmitter. It is hormone. It is what? It is one hormone. So it can play a great role. It play a role in brain as well as in body. The concentration of dopamine, sufficient dopamine is required for better function of brain as well as body, right? When this dopamine is releasing during sleep, well sleep, as well as when the person is in very cool or calm while listening music, so this dopamine is released. What is the function of this dopamine? The function of dopamine is transfer of message from one neuron to another neuron. So actually this is actually main function of dopamine in the brain, right? Next, here if this dopamine concentration is decreased, then what happen? It's going to lead the depressions as well as Parkinson disease, which is caused by deficiency of dopamine, right? So let here which one actually? Coca. The coca, it is also called as coke, and also called as crack, C-R-A-C-K, coke or crack. And here it is taken through snorting, right? It is directly inhaled with the help of one small pipe through nostrils, right? What is effect of this drug in human? So while taking of this drug, it is given the intensive energy. The person is feel excited, joyful, like so. This is effect of drug. Effect of drug is, you can call as euphoria. Is called as what? Euphoria. It means intensive joy, excited, and give energy also, releasing of energy, right? So this is actually effect of drug. And sometime if the person is taken large quantity or concentration is high, in such case it is also cause hallucination, right? So some plants also, from some plants we can prepare the hallucination drug. So some hallucination plants. So these are, one is Atropa belladonna plant, and second one is Datura plant. So these two plants are hallucination plants, right? So beside of these drugs, actually some also good drugs are there. So which are the first one is barbiturates. Second one is amphetamine, and third one is benzodiazepine drug, as well as LSD, lysergic acid diethylamine, it is also called as LSD drug, right? So beside of these two, like here what barbiturates as well as amphetamine drug, and next one is benzodiazepine, and last one is LSD, that is what lysergic acid diethylamine drug. So these drugs also be used for, generally these drugs are used for in medical for curing of mental illness as well as depressions, right? So beside of this, one more drug is there, that is morphine. So this is very effective drug. It is give the intense painkiller. It is a painkiller. So this painkiller drug, which is used during the like surgeries, in the surgery time, this drug is used. So here drug abuse means what? Drug abuse means here, so these drugs are used, any one of the drugs without medical properties and regularly using that drug. So we can call as what? They are drug abusers. Here, so without medical use, without medical purpose, and frequently if they are using this drug, so such person we can call as they are drug abusers, right? So for example, if maybe a hallucination drug or morphine drug, whatever it may be drug, so they regularly they are having means they are drug abusers. Okay. Next, smoking also one of the drug. Actually this nicotine and tobacco, this tobacco plant is using since last 400 years, like humans are using. So these tobacco leaves are containing nicotine as well as alkaloids are there, which are very harmful to the health, right? So they're taken through like smoking or like also chewing also. By smoking as well as chewing, the both are very harmful to the health. So these are going to cause cancer also. Most of the cases they are going to cause the cancer like lung cancer, urinary bladder cancer, and emphysema disease, respiratory disorders, like a number of especially the leaf containing nicotine, which is have the capacity to stimulate the adrenaline gland. Now this adrenal gland is stimulated and releasing adrenaline as well as noradrenaline hormones are released into the blood circulation. So these two hormones have the capacity to increase the blood pressure as well as heartbeat. BP is increased as well as heartbeat also be increased. And also the nicotine mainly it have the capacity to increase the carbon monoxide concentration in the blood and also decrease oxygen binding to the hemoglobin. So that's why what happened, so while we having of carbon dioxide, so in our blood here gradually carbon monoxide concentration is increased and the tissues, the cells are suffering from the starvation of oxygen. So the cells are not going to perform well, right? This is actually effect of what? Tobacco. Write it. Next one is smoking. So here we also consider as drug. It is also be one drug abuse. So this here the smoking or like tobacco plant tobacco which is used since last 400 years, right? Mainly tobacco leaves like chewing, as well as tobacco leaf cigarette smoking, like they're taken like smoking or chewing, right? So these two are very harmful to the health. The first here, so this tobacco leaf is containing nicotine as well as alkaloids. Nicotine as well as alkaloids are present. So this nicotine have the capacity. Nicotine it induce or stimulate the adrenaline gland, right? Now it is going to produce two hormones. The first hormone is adrenaline hormone, second one is noradrenaline hormones. Now these two hormones are released into blood circulation, right? Now these two hormones have the capacity to reduce increase the blood pressure, BP, also increase the heartbeat rate. Okay, first. And second, it is also have the capacity during this smoking. What happen? It is increase the carbon monoxide concentration. It increase the carbon monoxide concentration in blood, right? And also decrease the binding of oxygen to heme or hemoglobin, right? So then what happened? Then gradually the tissue oxygen concentration is gradually decreased. So here the cells are going to suffer from starvation of oxygen, and you know that oxygen is very essential to run the metabolism of the cell, right? The cells are not going to perform well, all cells. Next, here most of the tobaccos are going to cause a disease, cancer disease. It is the main effect of cancers, different type of cancers. So if they are chewing, it cause mouth cancer, right? During the smoke, if they are burning, it means smoking. In case of smoking, first it is going to cause what? Lung cancers. It cause lungs cancer, urinary bladder cancer, as well as throat cancer, bronchitis cancer, and as well as what? Lung, urinary bladder, throat cancer, and emphysema disease. Emphysema means what? Respiratory disorder. Also coronary disease, coronary heart diseases, like also gastric problems, Okay, so this is actually main effect of drug of smoking. Drugs are mainly divided into four types based on their functions. Based on their functions, drugs are mainly divided into four types. As usual, you know that the first one is what? Sedative drugs. Second are narcotic drugs, and third one is stimulators, and the last one is hallucination drugs. The first one is a sedative drugs. The sedative drugs, what is a main function? Like barbiturates. So the main function of sedative drugs is like a depression of brain, depress the brain activity, especially the relaxation like. And the second one is like narcotic drugs. Narcotic drugs are mainly useful for suppress the brain functions. Suppress the brain functions. Then third one is stimulators. The stimulators, the drugs is mainly useful for stimulation of nervous system, excitement and production of energy. So for that purpose of these drugs are used, right? So that's why athletics also be using these stimulators to perform optimum performance purpose. The athletes are using these drugs, right? And the last one is hallucination drugs. Hallucination drugs are mainly useful for calmness and excitement of happiness, intense happiness purpose they are using. So actually there is no purpose, there is no role of hallucination drugs in clinical field, right? So let's see here, we given one chart is given here, types of drugs, and second one is example, and the third column is effect, and the clinical use is given. Let's see one by one we are going to observe first. Based on the function, the drugs are divided into four types. One is sedative drugs, narcotic drugs, stimulative drugs, and last one is a hallucination drugs. Here sedative drugs example is what? Barbiturates as well as benzodiazepine drugs, which are example for sedative drugs. Here what is the effect of this drug? Effect is mainly depress the brain activity, because here the brain surface cells receptors are complementary to these chemicals. So that's why brain activity is going to depress. So that's why the person is calmness, relaxation, deep sleep and drowsiness. These are the main effect of these drugs. If the person is having excess amount of drug, consider the person is nearly 10 hours, 12 hours, is sometimes continuous days also is going to sleep. If taken more amount, they are going to in coma also, in such extreme condition, right? In clinical purpose is what? What is the use of these drugs in clinical purpose is hypnotic drug. It is used as hypnotic drug as well as anti-anxiety purpose, which is used in clinical or medical field. This is first one. And second one is what? Narcotic drug. You know that mostly this narcotic drug is taken through injections, right? Example is, you know that one is what? Opium plant, opium drug, Papaver somnifera plant. Seeds or foods are used to preparation of this drug. Morphine, extreme pain reliever, and heroin, right? So these are released. These are for heroin mainly. The purpose is what? To give the relaxation of the brain. See, what is the effect of this drug? It is suppresses the brain functions. Suppresses the brain functions. Relief intensive pain as well as euphoria, intense happiness and anxiety of joyness. So further it is an effect of what? Narcotic drug. The drug, it is also used in clinical field also. The clinical field, it is useful for especially morphine. This morphine drug, which is useful for reduce the pain, especially in surgery times they are using, right? Next one is here the drugs also be used for without unconsciousness, we can reduce the pain. So that is actually purpose of using of this drug in clinical field. Next, stimulate. Here stimulation of the person. Here nervous system is going to stimulate it. So generally here caffeine alkaloids as well as cocaine. If you are having of excess amount of caffeine, which is also one of the reason it can cause the cancer, right? So limited amount of, as well as amphetamine and cocaine. These are the examples, right? And next, effect of these drugs. Simple. It is going to nervous system. It is going to affect the nervous system as well as neurotransmitters like dopamine secretions are controlled and regulated, right? And produce excitement. Produce the excitement, releasing of some amount of energy also, right? So these are the stimulators. In clinical field, which is for attention and weight loss, weight control purpose, these drugs are used, right? Next is what? Hallucination drugs. Hallucination drugs. Actually, so number of plants have this property. Hallucination plants like flowers, leaves, which are containing hallucination drugs. And here, before the 100 of years of ago, in folk medical science as well as Ayurvedic system, in that these drugs are already used, right? Here these are LSD, lysergic acid diethylene, as well as charas, hashish, marjuna, it is also known as banga, right? So these drugs are example for hallucination drugs which are prepared from like plant, datura plant, Atropa belladonna, and some of medicinal plants also be there. Here, so these are going to alter the thoughts, alter the feelings, hallucinations, right? And here the purpose is here there is no purpose, there is no exact purpose by using of this in a clinical, right? So these are actually different types of drugs and alcohol and abuse. Okay, so this is actually today class. Thank you all of you.